How to log in Binance account on mobile. Hello everyone, I am Shaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Binance account on mobile. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Binance application on your device. You can easily download the application from your App Store or your Play Store. Once you have opened the Binance application, go ahead and tap on the login button you see there. If you do not have an account, you can also tap on the no account yet, sign up now option. I already have an account, so I will tap on the login button. You will then be asked to enter the email and password, so go ahead and enter the email address linked to Binance and then enter the password. Also, if you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password option and reset your password. Once you have entered your login credentials, tap on the Login button, and with this, you will be successfully signed in to Binance account. So, this is how you can log in to Binance account on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.